Hello, welcome to my channel. So this is a PHP cheat code website designed to help developers quickly find commonly used functions, syntax, and examples in one place. On the documentation page, you can see a clean and minimal interface where all PHP cheat codes are organized in a simple and easy-to-navigate layout. The goal of this website is to save developers time by providing ready-to-use PHP snippets and explanations. If you're new to learning PHP, this website is perfect for you. It provides complete PHP documentation in a simple, easy-to-understand format, along with practical examples to help you understand the syntax and real-world use cases. With the built-in search functionality, you can quickly find and jump to the exact topic you want to learn. With built-in light and dark modes, the website helps reduce eye strain and improves the overall viewing experience. Thank you for watching. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more projects like this.